Apple just dropped iOS 26.4. And for most people, it's like, oh cool, new emojis, maybe my battery dies 2% slower. But for some people, it turns into a full emotional experience. You turn on your iPhone, everything feels normal. And then bam! Lock to owner. No explanation, no continue button. Just you and staring at your screen like, what did I do to deserve this? Hey everyone, welcome back to the IBF Tools channel. In this video, we're going to go through real, legit, no BS ways to deal with this situation. Calmly, clearly, and without wasting your time on fake internet tricks. But first, quick reality check. Everything here is for legal device owners only. Alright, let's fix this. Solution 1. This one is so simple, people ignore it. If your iPhone shows unlock with passcode, that's Apple basically saying, hey, I still trust you. Don't mess this up. If you remember your passcode, enter it. And sometimes, just like that, problem solved. No drama, no stress, no 3-hour YouTube marathon. But if you're staring at the screen like, I don't even remember what I ate yesterday, or the option isn't there, don't worry. We're just getting started. Solution 2. The hidden treasure method. Now this one feels like detective work. If you can still access the device, go to the password section. iPhones sometimes save your login details quietly in the background, like a secret vault. And sometimes, not always, but sometimes, your Apple ID info is just sitting there, waiting. Like, bro, I've been here the whole time. If you find it, you just saved yourself a lot of time and stress. If not, yeah, life isn't always that easy. Let's keep going. Solution 3, the temporary escape method, DNS. This one is interesting. During setup, when you connect to Wi-Fi, you can change DNS settings. And suddenly, you get access to a limited interface. You can browse, watch videos. Basically, your iPhone becomes a very expensive YouTube machine. But let's be clear, this does not remove the lock. This is not a permanent fix. It's more like, you're not free, but here's a window. If you want a real solution, keep watching. Solution 4. IBF Tool. Structured approach. Now we get into something more serious. IBF Tool was created for situations exactly like this, where things are messy, confusing, and nothing seems to work. Instead of guessing your way through random tutorials, this gives you a step-by-step guided process. You install it, connect your device, choose your model and version, and just follow along. No advanced tech skills needed, no weird risky tricks. Just a clear path forward. The goal here is simple. Help real owners recover access, reduce confusion, avoid all the fake magic fixes online, and honestly, that alone saves people. At the end of the day, lock to owner isn't the end of the world, even though it definitely feels like it at first. The right solution depends on your situation. Sometimes it's quick, sometimes it takes a bit more effort, but there is a way forward. If this video helped you, even a little, drop a like. And tell me in the comments what exactly your situation is. I actually read them. And if you're still stuck, check the links below. I'll try to help. Thanks for watching. And hopefully next time you see your iPhone screen, it's not judging you with lock to owner.